Was it Honorable Shivambu who had requested an adjournment? Do you want to make your request again?
Can we make a request to have a break for 30 minutes to have a caucus about the process that is about to happen now? We want to consolidate our position, and it's constitutional to make this request. It's within the law. How do you refuse us to talk?
You are asking for
suppress the freedom to talk.
You are asking for how long? 15 minutes?
I said 30.
30?
Yes.
And the purpose is?
Caucus about the process that is about to happen now.
But why would you not have caucused before?
We want to consolidate the position now. Chief Justice, we want to consolidate the position. It's allowed, it's a request, it's allowed to make a request. It's within the Constitution. Please protect our rights.
Well, you know, everybody has known we are going to have this first sitting today for quite some time now.
Can you please allow us our right to go and consolidate a position? It's a request that as members of parliament must be allowed to make. Don't force feed us a different approach. We are asking for a caucus for 30 minutes now. Please.
Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to allow a comfort break. I'm going to allow a comfort break of 15 minutes, and then we are going to return. Secretary.